National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Monroe County in south-central Iowa, northern Lucas County in south-central Iowa, western Poweshiek County in central Iowa, Polk County in central Iowa, eastern Madison County in south-central Iowa, Marion County in south-central Iowa, western Mahaska County in south-central Iowa, Jasper County in central Iowa, northern Clark County in south-central Iowa, eastern Dallas County in central Iowa, Warren County in south-central Iowa, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Slater to near New Virginia, moving east at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Melcher, Dallas around 6:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Baxter and Rock Creek Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 39 and 72, and between mile markers 87 and 101. Interstate 80 between mile markers 118 and 189. Interstate 235 between mile markers 1 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for south central and central Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Clark, Dallas, Jasper, Lucas, Madison, Mahaska, Marion, Monroe, Polk, This is NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio Station WXL 57 at Des Moines, Iowa, transmitting on 162.55 MHz. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service at Des Moines, Iowa. The National Weather Service in Des Moines